installing a spotlight where there was no spotlight. Now look at this other one where the spotlight was. They come all equipped with a wiring harness for both sides on the spotlight. Okay, see that stock hole? You got two stock holes that's halfway above it. Pretty simple so far. This is a non-spotlight car, but it comes with a wiring harness. Christian, we're going to the other side with this. Stick Ford metal. Okay.
Hold on.
Hot pieces. So right here. Locked up. Yo, Chris, give me a piece of metal, bro. Let's get started like that. Shit falling on my shoe. Bitch. Yeah. Fuck. Alright. I need to get up more, I think. This way. Fuck. Well, you would fucking die. You got a good battery? Let's see. Hold on, that's gotta be a super straight angle. But
Come
we're
up
not.
a little higher on this side though.
I almost seen it from back there. It's a problem. Damn. Fuck. Give it a shot.
Oh,
We're almost there.
almost there.
Around 3.5.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Alright. Shoot it. A little bit more. Stuck. Should be alright. Now we got all kind of room. Alright, what's the?
This is so off. It's so far.
No, it's not. Here, take it out. Stop talking shit. Flatten her out. Alright. Got the same angle. Get an option. slowly but surely. Oh my God. Still need some finishing touches. Couple new LED bulbs and we're good.